सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
Hari Om. A very warm good morning to each one of you. On this auspicious day, let me welcome you all to our special assembly on Navratri. Navratri is one of the biggest and longest festivals celebrated across the country. It spans for 9 nights and 10 days. Today is the 10th day and it's known as Vijayadashmi. We start the celebrations with a prayer.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurudeva Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tvameva Mata cha Pita, Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha, Tvameva Vidya Dravinam, Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva, Tvameva sarvam mama deva deva. Om Sahana vavatu, Sahanau punathu, Sahaviryam karavavahai, Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya, Suryakodi Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kuru me Deva, Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddharbhavatu me Sada.
Thank you, Krishna. According to the legends, the occasion marks the victory of Goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasura. It is believed that Goddess Durga takes 9 different forms. Now let me invite 9 of my friends to speak about the 9 different forms.
Goddess Shailaputri. Goddess Shailaputri is the first manifestation of Goddess Durga. She holds a Trishul in one hand and a lotus in the other and rides a bull called Nandi. Goddess Parvati was born as the daughter of Himalaya, and in Sanskrit, Shail means the mountain. Thus she is known as Shailputri. What to offer? Devotees offer pure ghee on the foot of Goddess Shailputri. It is believed that by offering pure ghee, the devotees are blessed with a life free of diseases and illness.
Hari Om. Goddess Brahmacharini. The second day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Brahmacharini. The goddess walks bare feet with a Rudraksha mala in one hand and a sacred Kamandalu in the other. The meditative form of this goddess symbolizes Goddess Parvati when she engaged in her deep meditation to please Lord Shiva. What to offer? Goddess Brahmacharini is offered sugar for the longevity of the family members. Thank you. Hari Om.
Goddess Chandrakanta. The third day of Navratri is of Goddess Chandrakanta. She is a fierce ten-armed goddess with a crescent moon on her forehead, which gives her the name Chandrakanta. She rides on a tiger to defeat all evil and wicked. What to offer? The ferocious goddess is pleased with the king. She is known to drive away all pains.
Hari Om. Goddess Kushmanda. Chaturthi or the fourth day of Navratri is of Devi Kushmanda. The name Kushmanda Today I will be speaking about Goddess Skandamada. Goddess Skandamada, who is worshipped on the fifth day, is also known as Pandami. Skandamada is a four-armed deity who carries a lotus in two of her arms with a secret commanderer and bell in the other two. She also carries a little Kartikeya on her lap. And because of this, Kartikeya is also known as Skanda. She is seated on a lotus. What to offer? Banana is a favorite fruit of Goddess Skandamada. Thank you and Hariyo.
Goddess Katyayani. The sixth day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Katyayani, who is a form of Shakti, also known as the warrior goddess. Katyayani is considered as one of the most violent forms of Goddess Parvati. She has four arms and carries a sword. She is the daughter of sage Katyayan and rides on a lion. What to offer? Devotees offer honey and prasad to Goddess Katyayani.
Hariyo, Goddess Kalaratri. Saptami or the seventh day of Navaratri is of Goddess Kalaratri. As per legends, she sacrificed her skin color and embraced a dark complexion to kill demons. She is a four-armed deity who rides a donkey, carries a sword, a trident and a noose. She has a third eye on her forehead that is believed to contain the entire universe. What to offer? Offer Jagariya's prasad to Devi Kalaratri for relief from pain, obstacles and bring happiness. Thank you, Hariyo.
Hello. Good morning to one and all. Goddess Mahagauri. Durgashtami on the 8th day of Navaratri is dedicated to Goddess Mahagauri. She is a four-armed deity who rides on a bull or a white elephant. She carries a trishul and a damru in her hands. What to offer? Goddess Mahagauri is offered coconut by devotees. Thank you, Hariyo.
Goddess Siddhidatri. The ninth or the final day of Navaratri is of Goddess Siddhidatri. She is projected as a four-armed deity sitting on a lotus, holding a mace, discus and a book and lotus in her hand. This form of Goddess Durga signifies perfection. What to offer? Sesame seeds are offered to Devi Siddhidatri for safety and security from unnatural events.
Thank you, friends. Now let's lend our ears to a melodious Devi bhajan.
Namo Sharade, Namo Sharade, Namo Sharade Mada. Ambe Ma, Namo Sharade Mada. Namo Sharade, Namo Sharade, Namo Sharade Mada. Ambe Ma, Namo Sharade Mada.
Vidya Jnana Pradayini Masrida Vasani Kamalasini Vidya Jnana Pradayini Masrida Vasani Kamalasini Pavabanjani Manaranjani Pavabanjani Manaranjani Amba Maheshwari Mata Amba Maheshwari Mata
for the beautiful bhajan. It was a real feast for our ears.
Now, let's glance through some of the practices all over the country during Navaratri. In South India, a display of dolls, figurines and idols of goddesses Durga, Parvati, Lakshmi and Saraswati can be seen in various forms. This is called Bommekolu, which means divine presence.
Folk dances are very common in northern India during the 9 nights of the festival. The beats of the Dandiya dance and Garba dances are ringing in my ears. Give more importance to the last 3 days, namely Durgashtami, Mahanavami and Vijayadashmi. On these days, Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and learning, is worshipped. We place our books, musical instruments and tools in puja rooms on Ashtami day. We offer special prayers on Navami day. On Vijayadashmi day, we take our books back and practice everything that we have learned. Small children are introduced the word of knowledge in this day. This ceremony is called Vidyarambham.
Next we have a semi-classical devotional dance in praise of Goddess Saraswati by 3 of our friends.
ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാകിയ നാദ ബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാകിയ നാദ ബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ വീണാധരി ചാതോദരീ പാഹി മാം പരിപാഹി മാം ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാകിയ നാദ ബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ ദേവീ മാഹാത്മ്യലഹരീലൻ മനം സർഗസാഗരമാകേണം ദേവീ മാഹാത്മ്യലഹരീലൻ മനം സർഗസാഗരമാകേണം നൈവേദ്യമന്ത്രാങ്കുരങ്ങളിൽ അമ്മേ അന്നപൂർണാമൃതമരുളേണം ആത്മപൂജാമുദ്രകളിൽ ദേവി ഭാവതരംഗമുയർത്തേണം ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാകിയ നാദബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ ജന്മജന്മാന്തര പാപശിലകൾ പുണ്യസോപാനമായി മാറേണം ജന്മജന്മാന്തര പാപശിലകൾ പുണ്യസോപാനമായി മാറേണം പുണ്യാഹജലബിന്ദുവിൽ ദേവി കാരുണ്യവാരിധിയുണരേണം നിത്യവുമിൻ ചേതനയിൽ കരുണാമലയമാരുതനൊഴുകേണം ബ്രഹ്മകമലം ശ്രീലകമാകിയ നാദബ്രഹ്മസുധാമയീ വീണാധരി ശാതോദരീ പാഹി മാം പരിപാഹി മാം.
With that, we come to the end of today's assembly. Hope all of you enjoyed the show. May Goddess Durga shower her blessings upon each one of us. Happy Navratri!